DJ Alps.
Now that's what I'm talking about. That lick it, lick it, lick it, lick it.